In the previous videos, we have seen how to create a repository, how to push our first code, and how to clone our first code. So in this video, we will be seeing how to manage collaborations and contributors. So contributors are basically people who are legally able to contribute to our code and make changes to it. Suppose you're working on a project with a group of 5 people, you can add all of them as a contributor and they can directly contribute to the code. So let's see how that's done. So we'll move on to our repository that we want to add the contributors to. So if we move to the settings, you can see a collaboration access button over here. Once we click on it, you can see who all has already the access. So we have 0 collaborations right now. So we can add people based on their GitHub ID, either their full name or their username or their email ID. And once we search, for instance, if we search for the person called ABC, which is just a random name, we'll find all the list of people. And once we find the person that we want to collaborate with, we can send them a request. And once we have sent them the request will display over here and we will even know the status if they have accepted the request. For instance, let us just send it to a random person. So yeah, here's my account. So once I send it to my account, we can see that the request is pending over here. And once we are done with it, we can either remove the contribution or we can just let them stay. So for safety purpose, I'll just remove this contribution and that's it. That's how we can manage contributions on our page with GitHub. Like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next videos.